This video is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. This video will show you how to properly replace a gland nut on your hydraulic ram. Not following the proper procedure for replacing a gland nut can result in damaging the gland nut seal, which will cause your hydraulic ram to leak. Begin by loosening the gland nut. Once loose, slide the rod and gland nut out of the cylinder. On a single acting ram, remove the split bearing and spacer on the base end of the rod. On a double acting ram, remove the lock nut on the end of the rod and remove the piston. When removing the gland nut from the rod, slide the gland nut off the base end of the rod away from the clevis pin. Install the new gland nut from the base end of the rod away from the clevis pin side. Installing the gland nut over the clevis pin side could result in cutting the seals inside the gland nut, which will cause the hydraulic ram to leak. On a single acting ram, reinstall the spacer and the split bearing back onto the rod. On a double acting ram, reinstall the piston onto the rod and tighten the nut to the specification stated in the gland nut installation instructions. Slide the rod back into the cylinder and hand tighten. Torque the gland nut to the specifications in the gland nut installation instructions. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact technical support with any additional questions.